let's roll. Oh, it's so hot. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it is a 2018, but apparently I'm still stuck in 2017 because, as you can tell by the title of this video, I am doing a what I got for Christmas haul. So I will be showing you all the presents that I got, and before I do that, I just want to do a little disclaimer that I am not trying to brag or anything like that, because I am not the kind of person, and I just like watching these kind of videos. Trust me, like the amount of videos that I saw, like what I got for Christmas hauls, is insane. I watched a lot of them and I really love those kind of videos, and I figured that you guys would like it too, and because I know a lot of people love those type of videos. And yeah, I'm super grateful for everything that I got. I loved everything, and yeah, I'm really grateful for everyone who went out of their way to get me something. And yeah, so I'm really blessed. I had a really good Christmas. I had lunch with my family just at home. It was super chill, and yeah, we had a really good time. It was my first Christmas without my mum, but yeah, it was alright because I have a niece, and yeah, she's a new addition to the family, and yeah, she made Christmas a little bit more special this year. Also, as you may have noticed, I have a new setup. That's because I recently moved houses. Yeah, I'm in a new house now, and I had so much fun decorating my room. It's not done yet, but once I get it done, I might do a room tour. So if you want to see that, then please give this video a thumbs up, or you can let me know if you really want that room tour down in the comment sections below. So that's all I gotta say for you guys, and yeah, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so first one out of the bat, my dad got me a new tripod, and obviously I'm using it right now, but yeah, it just came in this box. It's a pretty good tripod. I've used it a few times ever since I got it for Christmas. Actually, I got it early, but yeah, I've had so much fun using this tripod. I've wanted one for so long, and yeah, I'm really grateful that my dad came through with this tripod. I mean, yeah, thank you, Dad. And the next present, I don't know which one to pick. I'll just pick the ones that aren't in bags, so I'll go with this one. So my auntie got me this mug from Typer. It's so cute. I will show you what's inside it. I love this mug. It's just a little popcorn mug. It's so cute, and it says "That's poppin'." Oh, she poppin'. Yeah, that's poppin'. Yeah, that's so cute. And oh, I forgot there was stuff inside it, but it has a cap, and I'll show you what's inside. So she also got me a lippy from CoverGirl. It's just a nude lipstick, and she got me these really cute slippers. I mean, like, not slippers, I mean heels, like little trinkets, and it's so cute. I'm gonna put this on my desk right here, like right there. It looks so cute. And yeah, that was what I got from my auntie, and yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, I love it. That's poppin'. The next present, I got this from my older sister. She got me these really cute slides, and I've wanted them also, so I'm really glad that she got me these. These are from Ruby. They're just, I'm obsessed with gingham prints at the moment, and they have this little cute ruffles, and it's just perfect. I'm like, these are really cute to wear in summer, and yeah, I've been wearing this heaps as well. So yeah, thank you so much. my sissy. And this next present is from my cousin. She got me a makeup brush and sponge set. This is, I don't know what brand it is. Oh, it's called Pink Macaron. It's so cute, guys. Like pink, blush pink, and it's got this really cool sponge. It's like the diamond shape, and there's sponges there. And I haven't used these brushes yet because I hadn't even opened the package yet. But yeah, I'm excited to use these, and yeah, thank you, cuz. And the next, oh, this is really cute. This present is from a family friend, and she got me this really nice, like it's so beautiful. It's a nice keychain. It's got diamantes on it, and yeah, it's so cute. I haven't like found a, I don't know, a bag or like somewhere to put this. I don't want to put it with my keys because it's too pretty for that. But yeah, I might hang this on one of my little bags, and yeah, it's so cute. It's a little angel, and yeah, it's so pretty. And it came in this little cute, what do you call this, like a pouch. Yeah, so cute. So thank you. This next present I got, well, presents I got from one of my best friends, Isaac. He got me bath fizzes, a candle, and pair of earrings. And this bath fizzes, it's frosted cranberry and candy cane. I'm so excited to use this because, you know, you gotta try something new. It's New Year, so new things to try. But yeah, I bet this is gonna be so good. It says, add a little fun and fizz to your bath time this festive season with these gorgeously fragrant bath fizzes to give you a pampering soaking. Sounds nice. I'm definitely going to be giving this a go. I don't know when, maybe tonight, but yeah. And this candle, oh my goodness, it smells so good, and the packaging is so cute too. It looks so elegant and classy. I'm like, yep, right up my alley. But yeah, it's it's just a simple candle, and it smells so nice. Like, it reminds me of something. I can't exactly remember what scent it is, but it smells so good. It's got like peppermint and vanilla in it, and yeah, love this. And I'm definitely going to be using this tonight as well. I'm going to be trying this out. And he got me this pair of earrings from Larissa. That's where he works. He came through with these really cute star. Oh, it's not focusing. Alright. Wait, let me just focus her. It's not. Okay. Alright. Yeah, these are really cute starfish earrings. These are really cute, and this is cute, and this is cute too, so thank you, Isaac. So I got 2 bags here and a box. So I will go, wait, which one do I pick first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Who's the favorite? Alright, going with this. So this present I got from one of my best friends, Sarah. She got me a couple of things, and just show you one by one. So she got me this calendar from Typo, just a little New York black and white calendar. It's got pictures inside and vouchers as well for every month, which is really good. It's awesome because you get like different coupons for every month, and apparently like saved, they're worth $300, so that's pretty good. Then she got me this grateful journal from Kiki K. It's such a cute book. So for every month there's pages for you to write on. Like for every entry you put 3 things. So like 3 things I'm grateful for is blah blah blah. And yeah, it's just the same for every month, and it's got like little quotes at the start of every month. This book will really help me to remind myself to be thankful always through the good times and the bad times. It reminds me of this verse from the Bible. It's give thanks in all circumstances, and it's in 1 Thessalonians. First Thessalonians 5:12. Yeah, that's my home screen. That little verse to remind me every day to be thankful. It's just a really nice reminder, you know, because you gotta be grateful for everything. And the next things that she got me are these DVD set. Yeah, so she got me the last 3 seasons of Gossip Girl, one of my favorite TV shows, because she already got me the first 3 seasons for my birthday. So yeah, she got me these, and I've already watched all of Gossip Girl, but these would be good for, you know, Gossip Girl marathons. Like, we'll definitely be having those because, you know, you gotta have your Gossip Girl dose every once in a while. Am I right? So thank you so much, Sarah. I'm grateful for these presents. I'm definitely going to be noting that down in this grateful journal. Right, I'm up to the second last set of presents. So this is from my sister Bethany. So she got me a couple of things as well, and first of all, she got me this robe from Cotton On Body. It's so pretty. I mean, like, look at her. Look at her. She's a beauty. I've worn this every day since like the start of this year. I actually asked for this and I picked this out. And she also got me stuff from Lush. So she got me this shower gel. It's the Twilight scent. I haven't used this yet, but I will be trying this out tonight. And she also got me what is this? A lip tint. It started with a kiss lip tint. So I haven't tried this as well, but I will be tonight. I'll be trying a lot of things tonight. So all of these is from my sister Bethany, and I'm very grateful that she got me these items. And I also got her really good presents. I got her a Kylie lip kit in ginger. That was the one that I wanted, but I gave it to her. And a pair of sunnies from my favorite brand. I recently discovered them, and they're called Anchor Eyewear, and they're so good, guys. Definitely check them out, and particularly check Lara sunnies because I named them. Plug, plug, plug. Shameless promotion, guys. Shameless promotion. Sorry for the lighting change, guys. It's late in the afternoon. It is currently 4:45. So the sun is going down, and the quality of this video is going down too. But I'll try and do this really quickly. I'm just gonna shuffle over here. So last present. This box is full of goodies. I got this from my best friend Gabby. Oh, it's washed out. Alright. But it's a really cute box. I love it. So she got me sunnies. She said that these were from Florida. They are just aviators, and they're so nice. They're so cool. She got me a couple of things from Shiseido. She got me cleansing foam, gentle cleanser. Oh, a gentle cleanser in a sample size and full size. So yeah, these are so nice. I haven't tried these yet. And she came through with some Colourpop cosmetics. She got me the highlight. I haven't tried this yet, but I'm so excited to try it. And I'm washed out, but it's okay because you guys understand. I'm so sorry, but I just gotta do what I gotta do, you know? Yeah, girl gotta do what she got to do. Oh, that highlight there. She got me a highlighter. Oh! This is in Super Shock Cheek Pearlized. Oh wait, hang on. It's called Wisp. This is Wisp, And she also got me an Ultra Satin Lip Trio. These are so good. I tried Stud. It's so nice. It has Rain and Mystic as well. And they're just like really nice berry mauve colors. They're perfect for autumn. And yeah, I love the formula of these. And she got me the Yes Please Pressed Powder Shadow Palette. I've used this a couple times and it's so good. I'll just show you what's inside. So the colors are very nice and summery. The ones that I've tried, that one, this one, and that one, so like the orange tangerine shades, because I'm really into like warm tones at the moment. Well, all of these are warm tones, but like orange, yeah, orange on the eyes, it's so good. And yeah, I'm so excited to try the other shades, like this one as well. I haven't done a yellow eyeshadow look, so that's gonna be interesting. But yeah. Ah! Whoops, whoopsie daisy. And she also got me candy canes. I haven't eaten them yet, but she also got me the chocolates, which I have eaten, so I can't really show you that. And yeah, that's all she got me. And I'm so thankful for everything in this box. And yeah, thank you, Gabby. That's it, that's it, that's it. And so yeah, that was everything that I got for Christmas. My heart is filled with gratitude. I am so blessed to be getting all of these presents and to be spending time with family during the festive season. I had a really lovely time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. And also that room tour, if you want to see a room tour, then let me know in the comment section below, or give this video a thumbs up as well. And yeah, that's all I have to say before I end this video. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, hey, I'm Clarice, and I do different types of videos. I mainly do like lifestyle, fashion, beauty, but I'm really wanting to do like other types of videos in this coming year, so look out for that. And I also do vlogs. There will be a vlog coming soon, so keep your eyes peeled. And yeah, that's really it. That's all I have to say, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!